For once, I actually had the chance to sleep in. It was nice because I had such a long week and I slept until 5:30 this morning. Some people might not think that's sleeping in, but when you're normally getting up at 4:30 because I have so many things to do, it's nice to feel recharged, refreshed. And you guys might even be able to tell from my body language, but I'm excited about this upcoming week for ADA and what type of potential there lies in terms of price. Now, over this weekend, we've actually seen some great things happen. Okay. ADA is actually nestled in right about 73 cents at the time of filming this video. BTC actually getting a little bit of push from retail money this weekend above 62K at 62,380 or so at the time of filming this video. So it's actually a good setup for the week. All right. The last thing we want to do is take steps backwards here. Now, when we look at the ADA price here, again, around 73 cents, you can see this candle that was created on the 24 hours was actually red. We started to go through a little bit of retracement. This actually showed us coming down almost all the way to 68 cents. So the question lies now is, are we going to get more of the same here, more retracement, pulling back down, or are we going to extend further and start testing some of those levels above us, 78 cents, 80 cents, try to push towards, 85 and 90 cents. That's really the big question here. I often push for people to zoom out. You sometimes have to take a look at the longer, broader picture when it comes to these things, but sometimes it's important to zoom in as well. And when we look at the 1 hour charts in terms of ADA, actually, I was going to look at the 4 hours. I don't know why I said 1 hour. We look at the 4 hour chart in terms of ADA. You can see we're actually, my dog just stole something. We're performing a very consistent trend here. ADA has had several itty bitty breakouts. Okay. And then retracements back down. You can see it happen when we first broke 64 cents here. We retraced, we came back down, then we exploded out past 68 cents. We actually got all the way up to, I think, just about 71 cents, retraced back down, came and tested 64 cents again. Now we've done the same thing. We've broken out. We got all the way up to, just above 60 or 76 cents. Geez. And we came back down. We tried to retest our 68 cent level, and we had a hard bounce off of this. We're actually following the 20 trend line in our 4 hour charts. So we're actually very much on par with what we've done on this run up. Okay. So we have a great setup for this week, a great setup to try to extend to the upside. Could we come back down? Sure. Could we try to retest 68 cents again? Absolutely. Anything is possible, especially if we get, big selling in terms of BTC. People need to understand that ADA is not a meme coin. All right. It's not necessarily a hype driven coin. Does it get some FOMO? Does it get some people chasing and pushing the charts up? Yes, it does. Really anything in the market can deal with some of that additional external pressure. But remember, ADA is truly about fundamental growth. The people that have been buying ADA and hold it, they have this long-term mindset. Just look at the holder composition. Again, only 6% of ADA holders have held for less than 1 month. All right. Now, this has obviously been on the rise in the near term. People chase red or green candles. I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing that, but people can always do what they want. Right now there are some ones that are going to perform better than ADA. They're going to perform faster. They're going to see higher pumps, and that's fine. All right. ADA, remember, again, it's not a low cap coin. It's going to move slower. It's one of the more safer, resilient plays. Okay. And again, this is not a guarantee, but it's a blue chip crypto. It's going to move slower. Its rate of gain is not going to be as high as some other coins in the market. For example, look at Pepe. It ran, 20% in the last 24 hours. I just looked since like February 5th, it's up 500%. All right. ADA is not going to do something like that, but there are explosive times for the market ahead for blue chip coins, and they're approaching very quickly. So that's what it's really all about. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts about where you think ADA is going to head this week as we try to deal with, some of the Genesis selling and trying to liquidate more shorts. There's a lot of exciting times ahead, and I hope you guys are ready for it. So show your love below. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.